everyone, today we're going to be testing Mike and Ike. Obviously this is part 1. We're going to do part 2, which is obviously going to be these British thing ever sausage roll crisps. And then after that we're going to be trying the chocolate, then the nougat, and then the Fruitella. So obviously let's just start. Okay, so we're doing strawberry first. Obviously let's try. Six out of 10. I don't really have an opinion. Okay, let's try. 8 out of 10 is pretty good.
10 out of 10.
So 24 out of 30, which is 4/5. So obviously we liked it. Okay, so obviously we're going to do the peach berry. I love peach berry. 8 out of 10, it brings back major summer vibes, obviously. Let's try.
I'm not a big fan of peach. It's not the best. I'll give it 5 out of 10. Lego. 10 gazillion 10.
That was 10 plus 5 plus how many? It's 8. So, let's see. 23 out of 30. We loved it. Okay, so this is the blueberry flavour, obviously. But I don't know how this is going to go because Abby is allergic to real blueberries. It's probably not going to cause an allergic reaction, but let's see. Six out of 10, it's kind of bland. Okay.
6, yeah. 6.
It's a triple 6 rating right there. 18 out of 30. Yep. 6 out of 10. 3 out of 5. Next, we're going to be trying wild berry. 7 out of 10. It kind of reminds me of something, but I don't know.
Sorry. 9 out of 10, pretty good. 2.
18 out of 30, which is also 9 out of what? Yeah, anyways. The last one is blue raspberry. Ooh. 9 out of 10. It tasted pretty amazing.
Save the best till last. 10 out of 10, it's very good.
Very good, that was so amazing. But anyways, my favourite was the blue raspberry.
Mine was strawberry. Mine was blue raspberry.
Wait! We forgot Abby's, let's see.
6.
And what's your favourite?
Peach berry, actually.
Cool.
Blue raspberry.
Knowing everyone, this is grammatically correct. But why did I use grammatically? But anyways, it was good. Bye! See you in part 2. Hi! It's time for part 2. Probably the most British thing ever. Sausage roll. Walker's crisps. Obviously, let's just try. Obviously, everyone's having 2 each, so let's try them. Okay, so here's my first one. Try the second one. Ooh, that tastes so good. 9 out of 10. The amazing British sausage roll thing. We loved it.
Okay, so I'm going to try. Oh, baby. Overall rating for me is 10 out of 10. Amazing.
Obviously, it's amazing. Classic British. We love it. We stan it.
Okay.
Just interest. Oh, we stan it.
My overall rating is 10 out of 10.
You know what? I changed my rating. It's 10 out of 10 for me. Which leaves us with a full rating. 30 out of 30. 10 out of 10. 1 out of 1. Gorgeous. See you in part 3. Obviously, we're going to snort all these crisps down us. So, see you later. Hi, everyone. So, obviously, we're going to try these chocolate crisps. Obviously, I'm going to try it. Well, you know what? Add an extra point. 11 out of 10. This is into the moon. can't describe how amazing it is. Let's pass it on.
Okay, so let's try. Oh. High expectations because of what JJ said. $20 out of 10. Oh my god.
Already 4 marks already. Obviously we stand the crisps. Let's go to Abby.
$1 million out of 10.
All rating 1,033 out of 10. We stand it!
Woo!
Mine has changed from 11 to freaking 100,011.
Mine has changed to infinity. Oh my god, they're the best things I've ever tasted.
Yeah.
The perfect amount of crunch and sweetness.
Yeah. Yep, we stand these.
All hell the crisps.
Oh, hey, all the crisps.
If you want to get them, this is what they are.
Oh no.
Bye,
Size
guys.
limit. Hey guys, we had to move inside because it was getting dark. But we now gonna be doing the nougat. I'm probably not gonna like this because I'm not a big fan of nougat, but let's just wait for Abby to come. Oh, there she is. So obviously now I'm gonna try my nougat, which I folded into a bowl. For some reason, let's try it. Wait. 8 out of 10. I was not expecting it to be that nice. It tasted like peanut for some reason. But I'm going to pass the spoon on.
It's my turn to try it. I know I'm not going to like this probably, but... That's not it. No. 2 out of 10. No. 1 out of 10. JJ rating is
10 out of 10 or 8 out of 10. You know what? I did give it a rating, but let's just put it up to 9.
9 out of 10 peeps. Okay. Tastes like strawberry and cream. I give it an 8 out of 10.
Okay, so that leaves us with an 18 out of 30, which is 6 out of 10 and 3 out of 5. So obviously we liked it. And let's just move on to the Fruitella. We're not going to make another part for this. Let's just do it. Okay, here is the Fruitella. I'm going to try it.
Change of plans, we're not allowed to say it on Friday.
Why?
Because it's not fair for Nan to be on her own with 3 kids.
I don't know about this. Didn't like it. It was a 4 out of 10. It was a bit too chewy and a bit too basic. Sorry.
Let's try it. I'm not. I like it, you know. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Abby doesn't want to try that one.
Since Abby didn't want to try it, it was a 12 out of 20. And obviously because these were so good, I'm having another one. So that leaves us with 4/5. Hope you enjoyed this. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!
Bye!
And Abby isn't here right now, so...
Bye on her behalf.
Yep, bye on her behalf. Bye, guys. See you soon.
Mwah!
Bye.